Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the actuation point on the Razer Huntsman Mini Special Edition. First, open the Razer Synapse software on your computer. Once Synapse is open, look at the top and choose your keyboard from the list of connected devices. Inside the keyboard menu, look for the keyboard function or actuation section. In this section, you will see a slider or adjustment bar for the actuation point. Move the slider to the left if you want the keys to register faster with less pressure. Move it to the right if you want to press the keys deeper before they register. After you adjust the actuation point, make sure the changes are saved. Now I will show you how to change the actuation point manually using the keyboard itself. Hold down the FN key and press the Tab key to enter actuation adjustment mode. While still holding the FN key, use the number keys from 1 to 0 to select the actuation level. Lower numbers mean a shallower actuation point, and higher numbers mean a deeper actuation point. Press different number keys to test each level and feel the difference. When finished, press FN and Tab again to save and exit. Thanks for watching.